It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali HD. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding and power extendable mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, the child lock button, and you'll notice this truck also comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the heads-up display button, trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some interior and exterior lighting buttons and dials. This is the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali badging in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider, power sunroof button, and OnStar. This here is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time, it's equipped with navigation, and it also doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats. To the far left is our engine push start button, lane departure alert, park assist, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, as well as some USB and power plug-ins. Here we have the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, chrome tow hooks, fog lights, LED headlamps, 20-inch polished aluminum wheels, a 6.6 liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, running boards down below. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The box side step, rear window slider, and at the very back we've got the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. We're going to use the key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got the multi-pro tailgate step. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and box lighting. Last, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, and some USB and power plug-ins. This middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We've also got behind the seat storage, located behind either of the rear seats, as well as some under seat storage by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali HD today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.